How to edit your pictures like Cyber y2k edit on Picsart. Go to Google and search Cyber y2k background.
Open your eyes.
Now go to Picsart and add the background.
Open your eyes.
Now add pictures.
Open your eyes.
Now go to the cutout label and cut the background of the picture out.
Open your eyes.
Now clean all the pictures.
Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Open your eyes.
When done, do same to all three pictures.
Open your eyes.
Now, arrange the pictures.
Open your eyes.
Go to FX effect and add the motion blur.
Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Open your eyes.
When done, save.
Now go to FX effect and add color.
Open your eyes.
Now go to brush and add sparkle.
Open your eyes. Open your eyes.
Add them wherever you want them to be.
Open your eyes.
Save. Very easy and creative.